like to generate your very own logos for free? If yes, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, we'll be learning how we can create our very own logos just doing some simple steps. So without further ado, I'm Ratna Shabir from Web Creators, and let's get started. To create your logo, first of all, you're going to search for Luca and click enter. Then you're going to click on the first option. Then tell it about your company's name. I'm going to write The Diners and then click get started. Then tell it about your company and what you do, in which industry you work. So I'm going to write restaurant as an example. I think your spelling is wrong. Yeah, I guess fast food restaurant. There you go. And then click enter or continue. Then choose the logos for inspiration. I think I like this one, and this one too, as well as this one. This looks quite good. This one too. Yeah, these two are best. And then when you're done, click continue. You can choose the colors you like to convey your message. I think I'm going to go with orange, red, and let's say teal. Then click continue when you're done with your things. Then tell them about your company name and the slogan. So I'm going to write food is our responsibility, and then click continue when you're done. Then tell them about your symbols. You can skip this step or either make your own symbols, but for now I'm going to choose it from here. I'm going to choose these. Yeah, and then click continue. You can change the color fonts from here if you're not satisfied yet. You can also change the symbols from here, and it's loading. As you can see, it has created amazing logos. It also has the option to customize it, but for now I think it's pretty nice. And then you can download it and blah blah. So if you want more logos and these don't seem inspiring enough to you, you can click over here and load more logos. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye.